Brown-headed cowbirds might be the most toxic parents in the animal kingdom.
While having babies, they will lay 10 to 12 eggs, and one by one will put those eggs into different nests that other birds have made.
If there isn't room, sometimes they will even throw the other bird's eggs out of the nest. About half of the mother birds will accept this foreign egg. The ones that don't will throw it out, or just build another nest over top of it, and pretend like nothing ever happened. But here's where it gets even worse.
If the mom cowbird comes back and realizes the egg is gone, they will trash the host species' nest about half the time. This is being termed mafia behavior.